So we're back again with our bag of marbles and our simplified tree diagram. This time the question's a little bit different. First of all, find the probability of at least one blue marble with replacement. Now that happens in a few places, but before I talk about that, quickly, the key focus of this video, addition rule of probability. So we're going to be looking at that. Okay, first of all, find the probability of at least one blue marble. So you're reaching into the bag, you're pulling out one marble, and you're looking at it, and then you're putting it back. And then you're reaching into the bag, you're looking at a second marble, and then you're putting it back. So 2 times, right? And this is what our tree diagram looks like. At least one blue marble. Now, if you look at our diagram here, that happens a few times. It happens here. Pull out one blue marble there. It happens here, it happens here, it happens here, and it happens here. So there's 5 times where somebody pulls out at least one blue marble. And we can really quickly find all of the probability of that happening. I won't bother simplifying them, I'll jump straight into them. Using the multiplication rule of probability, that's 9 over 81, so 3 over 9 times 3 over 9. 3 over 9 times 2 over 9, that's 6 over 81. 3 over 9 times 4 over 9, 12 over 81. The probability of this happening, 2 over 9 times 3 over 9, is 6 over 81. And the probability of this happening, 4 over 9 times 3 over 9, that's 12 over 81. So we know the probability of each of those branches happening. Now, the addition rule of probability, the thing that we came for, is this. The probability of A or B happening, as long as the events are mutually exclusive, that means they can't happen at the same time. So the probability of A or B happening is equal to the probability of A plus the probability of B. Okay, so we don't care which of these happens. It could be this, or this, or this, or this, or this, as long as one of them happens. So the probability of A or B or C or D or E happening is equal to A plus B plus C plus D plus E. Very simple. So the probability of at least one marble, at least one blue marble is equal to the sum of those. Okay. Now I'm going to do something that you guys would never do. I'm going to add this down the page because you can see I've run out of space. 9 over 81 plus 6 over 81 plus 12 over 81 plus 6 over 81 plus 12 over 81, and that'll give us our final answer here, which my calculator will no doubt tell me. Okay, so that gives me a final answer of 45 over 81. Now obviously that can be simplified. You can simplify that to 5 over 9. Now, that's it. So, recapping, the multiplication rule of probability is the probability of A and B, and you work across your tree diagram. This times this will give you the probability of that particular branch happening. Now, if you want to know what's the probability of this branch or this branch happening, or this branch, you add up your probabilities here using the addition rule of probability. Okay, we've covered a lot here, I think. But now you've really got a lot of tools to solve some really complex questions using tree diagrams. Alright, that's the addition rule of probability.